Hypnotic process of laying underwater cables. Did you know that electricity is also passed through underwater cables? Yes, surprising but true. But laying these cables underwater is no walk in the park either. So, buckle up as we take a deep dive and swim through these underwater optical fiber cables. First things first, how do they even survive in the deep blue sea? Well, they're wrapped in layers of silicon gel, plastic, steel wiring, copper, and nylon, like a tech-savvy deep-sea diver gearing up for a dive. Before anything else, the seabed gets a thorough scan using high-tech gear like sonar. It's like mapping out the ocean floor's treasure trove, spotting potential hazards, and figuring out the best path to lay those cables. Then comes the big moment, loading the cable onto the ship's reels. It's like loading ammo for a cosmic battle, ensuring everything's just right to avoid any snags during deployment. Then, this vessel visible on your screen takes the process ahead. The cable is fed from the ship through the deployment frame and connected to the plow. The plow is lowered to the seabed at a predetermined depth. As the ship sails along the route, the plow digs a trench in the seabed, displacing sediment to either side. Finally, the cable is settled into the trench by the plow and gets buried by the displaced sediment as the ship moves forward. Not to forget, one such project can cost anywhere between millions to $1 billion. So, precision and accuracy are paramount. So, what do you think? Can there be any other alternatives for this?